Tired of those recurring Bilibili charges and ready to finally cut the cord? Don't worry, I'll walk you through canceling your subscription in just a few easy steps. First, launch the Bilibili app on your phone or tablet and make sure you are logged into the account with the subscription you want to cancel. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. It usually looks like a little person or a profile picture. Once you're on your profile page, look for the settings icon. It's usually located in the top right-hand corner and looks like a gear or cogwheel. Tap on it to access your account settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and find an option labeled either My Wallet or Subscription Management. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it should be fairly obvious. Tap on whichever option allows you to manage your subscriptions. You should now see a list of your active subscriptions. Find the Bilibili subscription you want to cancel. It should display the subscription type and billing period. Tap on the subscription to view its details. You should see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. It might be located at the bottom of the screen or within a subscription details menu. Tap on it. Bilibili might ask you to confirm your cancellation with a pop-up. To prevent accidental cancellation, read any on-screen information and then tap Cancel Subscription or Confirm Cancellation if prompted. You should now receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. You might also receive an email confirmation, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your Bilibili subscription and will no longer be charged.